Okay, this is let's see where we are here. Okay, October 17th, Friday. Okay, students, once again, they do the news every morning. Uh, Administrator or librarian will let them into the studio and they will record the news. Hardest working advisory in the building by far. Film production is the B1 class. They have an ed puzzle, um, and that's different than the one they had the day before. So I believe it will be on here. Um, they will have a third one on here, so it'll be about lighting a horror film. Okay, and that brings us to too many tabs. Too many tabs open. Okay, B2 is the broadcast journalism. Just like the day before, seniors are working on the Adobe course to either learn Premiere, Photoshop, or After Effects. This is what it looks like. They should be working on this program and have it open and be following along with an online tutorial or this program or this one here. And they're going to be learning how to do things in the way that will help them with their certification exam. Third block is a planning for me. And fourth block is Introduction to Media Arts. They also have their third um, ed puzzle here. It's about 7 editing tips that are simple and something else. So, um, yeah, that and working on in their small groups to be prepared to start filming their horror fest as soon as I get back. Make sure this last class here stacks all the chairs, picks up all their trash, leaves the room nice and neat for Monday. I'd appreciate it. Thank you so much for helping out. And I won't be around for questions, but if you do, the librarian can help and Mr. Mays can help.